Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jilla Meghalaya ubas nyau phalang dhar ula Kyntait ya ke Jingïadei ke jong u bat ke Hnlc da ke baong ba ki dei ke Jingkynnoh ki balam ler ki bom don nongrim bat ki badan Jingthmu ha ka san perthei ki Jingkynnoh ki ong ba udhar ula kershan pisa ya ke sengle no ha ka por ba udon ha ka sarkar balayalam da ka Congress udhar ula Kyntait ya ke Jingkynnoh da ka baong ba ki dei ki badan Jingthmu ha ka san perthei.
We have seen in the news for the last 2 days, which has been stated by the Hnlc, so which is very, very unfortunate to say, but which is false and baseless allegations. And it seems from the statement of some other political leaders also, the way how it moved, it seems this move is, politically motivated just to malign my image personally. And please remember, I have seen so many friends who try to follow up me personally, but the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, God more will bless me and bless my party and the governments. I am here to serve my people, very, very sincere. We are here to protect the state, the peoples, and the country as a whole. We are your leaders. Please trust us. All these things is baseless allegation, which is not true at all.